Hey guys, welcome back to World of Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. In today's video will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW 3 or 4 series, guys. As you know, both of the vehicles share the same platform, same engines in both of them. Practically it's almost the same vehicle, guys. Now if you're guys trying to find the VANOS solenoid, actuator solenoid for the intake camshaft, stay with us, guys, and that's what we'll be covering today. We'll show you where it's located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. We're going to explain that. In addition, guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every single car we get at the shop. Why we do that, guys? Why we take them completely apart? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy a new replacement VANOS solenoid, actuator solenoid, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. In addition, any tools and parts that you need to buy for your BMW, we will share the link so you can get them, guys, and find them and see where we get them from. So this is, guys, the engine right here. This is a 328i, but it will work on 320, 420, 428. Multiple BMWs will use that design, guys. So now if you guys want to see, as you know, this is a timing chain driven engine, and the weak spot is the timing chain. On certain years it failed, guys. At 87,000 miles we replaced the timing chain. So we have the video on our main channel, how to repair, guys. Check it out, guys. If you want to see how to remove and replace the VANOS solenoid, we will have the video there as well. And if you want to see electrical videos, codes, engine codes, transmission codes, and how to diagnose electrical components, we will have them on our third channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please check it out, guys. So once you guys open the hood, okay, let me show you where that VANOS intake solenoid is located and what needs to be done to remove and replace it. This is, guys, your engine cover. So how you guys remove that thing? You have 3 mounts, 1, 2, 3 right here, and you have 2 guides on the back, so you need to lift it up, okay, like that. Lift it up and then slide it out, okay, and the mounts are located right here, okay, towards the front of the cover. 1, 2, and 1 on the side, 3, and 2 guides that slide in the back are those right here. So now, guys, let me pull that foam piece out and I will explain where that intake VANOS solenoid actuator is located. Looking at it here, guys, okay, this is your intake side because you have the intake hose there, throttle body. You also, guys, have right here intake manifold, and since your intake manifold is on this side, the first camshaft will be the intake camshaft. This one, the second one, will be the exhaust because it's on this side, okay, right here. This is the exhaust manifold, exhaust camshaft, intake camshaft. This is the intake one. Now you guys have, okay, 2 components here that read from the camshaft and control it. One is the camshaft position sensor that reads the angle of the camshaft, and this is the VANOS solenoid actuator. This guy right here, guys, you can see. What we have to do, if you need to remove and replace it, check out the video. You have to get a special tool like that. Okay, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. It's known as female torques. You need to, guys, go ahead, remove the screws and remove the wire. And if you want to see the whole video, we have it on the channel, how to repair, guys. So check it out, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to locate it. Some of you may just need to know where it's located to replace it, because it's simple. If you want to see the replacement and what needs to be done, we have it on the channel as well. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.